My name's Webb Gillespie, and today I'll be giving you an informative speech on the squirrel monkey. As a child, I would go to the zoo with my family and on school field trips. I remember being fascinated with the little black-crowned squirrel monkeys. I would feed them crackers and admire their beautiful gold coat and their amazing agility. I never really cared about the other animals besides them because the squirrel monkey seemed to be the one that gave me the most attention. They were always so friendly. I don't know if it was because of the crackers or their curiosity, but squirrel monkeys have had me fascinated ever since. Squirrel monkeys play a major role in the ecosystem. They eat fruit, seeds, insects, nectar, and small birds. They are prey for snake, large birds, and cat. They are known for their lack of habitat restrictions, and the densest population can be found in the Amazon basin, but also include dominions in Venezuela, Bolivia, Paraguay, Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. Squirrel monkeys are omnivorous and spend more than half their day foraging in the trees. Because their diet contains fruit, it can change as the seasons vary. They prefer soft berries like fruits found in the middle to high canopies because they are easily digested. Canton Lang, who published the website Primary Fact Sheets, states that in Costa Rica, squirrel monkeys have been known to leave fruit trees ravaged, but the monkeys have little competitions because they relocate so much. Squirrel monkeys live in the middle canopy of the forest to evade birds of prey and felines, but have adapted to living in the higher canopy at certain times of the year to eat bird eggs and certain fruits. Squirrel monkeys live in troops of 4 to 40 monkeys. Troops can be very territorial when it comes down to the next meal. The squirrel monkey's small body makes them targets for predators such as snakes, large birds, and cats. Large birds such as the falcon and hawk have the most recorded attacks of squirrel monkeys. To avoid this, squirrel monkeys have been known to form troops with other species of monkeys like the Cebus monkey. Squirrel monkeys do this because the Cebus monkey's loud alert call when danger is spotted. The Cebus monkey also has an extensive knowledge of the ranges for fruit patches. Canton Lang, who published the website Primary Fact Sheets, states that squirrel monkeys prefer fixed insects on trees and leaves, such as caterpillars and worms. Squirrel monkeys have also been known to hunt unsuspected sleeping fruit bats. The squirrel monkey uses its climbing ability to reach the bat nest far up into the tree. The subspecies S. or esteti, or the black-crowned squirrel monkey, is my personal favorite. It has a gold-orange fur over most of their head, back, forearm, hands, and feet, as you can see here. They're called the black crown because they have this black crown, and they turn gray around their arms and hips. The tips of their tail are the darkest part of their body, which is darker than their crown. One gene the black-crowned squirrel monkey has obtained is a sexually dichromatic gene that gives the females darker crowns than males. Squirrel monkeys get their name because of their relative size to the American squirrel. They're about the same size, but the squirrel monkey is far more smarter and agile. The average height is 11 inches, and males weigh from 1.5 to 2 pounds, while females weigh from 1.3 to 1.8 pounds, depending on the season. The teeth of squirrel monkeys have large cusps behind their canine teeth to aid them with eating insects. Males have larger canine teeth to help defend the troop during territorial battles. They move mainly by leaping, so they can get from tree to tree, and also to make it difficult for predators to hunt them. Their legs have adapted so that their thighs are much larger than their lower legs, giving them incredible leaping abilities. The monkey's tail is not prehensile, meaning they can use it to grasp things and for balance. Squirrel monkeys' fingers have adapted to picking insects and digging for fruit. This makes them very dexterous. Their thumbs are shorter than most primates and are great for grasping branches. Squirrel monkeys use urine to mark their territory, but they also rub the urine on their hands and feet, so while leaping, other monkeys know where to follow. They also possess a special gland that secretes a scent from their entire body and mostly their tail. Predators cannot bear the smell and won't come close unless desperate. This defense mechanism allows for troops to be protected during mating season. Troops of squirrel monkeys are known as alligantarian, meaning that when conflicts arise between sexes, it is always not the same sex winning every fight. The males are very social while the females are not, and leave the troop when sexually mature. Males stay within the troop to protect territory and mate with migrating females. Squirrel monkeys' reproduction is very similar to primate reproduction. 2 or 3 males within the group do most of the reproducing. Females look for sexually mature males with the largest weight. Heather Zimbler de Lorenzo, who wrote Zoo Ecology of a Primate Species, states that female squirrel monkeys reach sexual maturity between 2 and 4 years of age. The process of gaining weight for males during mating season is called fatting, and it begins in June. The top 2 or 3 heaviest squirrel monkeys do most of the mating, but some females that have not reached full maturity have been known to mate with smaller squirrel monkeys. The females take care of the infants, while the males protect the territory from other troops and predators. After 3 months, the infants become more independent and form play groups with other small infants. Play is a large portion of the infant's life, and this ends about 1 year into their life cycle. Squirrel monkeys are very unique species, from their brightly colored coat to their specialized legs for leaping. They are a key part of many forest ecosystems. They are hunted by large birds, cats, and snakes. They prey on bats, birds, and insects. They are omnivorous animals that, along with birds and bats, eat seeds, leaves, fruit, and nectar. Squirrel monkeys are one of a kind, from their scent glands in their tail to their appetite for bats. Thank you.